The ascension to the fifth dimension, the evolutionary leap of humanity. We are living in times of great change. A global awakening is happening, and many feel an internal transformation. This experience is known as the ascension to the fifth dimension, an evolutionary leap in human consciousness that promises to lead us to a new era of peace, love, and unity. What is the fifth dimension? The fifth dimension is not a physical place, like a planet or a specific space in the universe. It is a state of consciousness, a higher vibrational level where the limitations of the third dimension, such as fear, suffering, and separation, begin to disappear. In this dimension, the energy of unconditional love and unity prevail. In the fifth dimension, the ego begins to fade, and we live in tune with our higher self, our true essence. The fifth dimension is not a new concept, but in these times of spiritual awakening, it is taking on special relevance. For many, the fifth dimension is perceived as a quantum leap in the evolution of our consciousness. But what does this mean in practical terms? In the third dimension, which is where we inhabit now, life is marked by duality. We see the world as black or white, good or bad, right or wrong. This level of consciousness is strongly influenced by fear, separation, ego, and material desire. It is the reality of me against the other. However, in the fifth dimension, unconditional love and unity are the forces that guide our experiences. At this vibrational level, the illusion of separation disappears, and we begin to recognize that we are all connected. The ego dissolves, and what prevails is an awareness of oneness, where compassion, forgiveness, and inner peace become our new way of life. In the fifth dimension, relationships are not based on self-interest or competition, but on mutual support and collaboration. We realize that by helping others, we help ourselves. It is a dimension where time as we know it dissolves, and we begin to live more in the present, in a state of flow with the universe. What are the signs of the ascension process? The ascension process does not happen overnight. It is a gradual transformation that many are already experiencing. Some common signs of ascension include feeling disconnected from everyday reality, sudden changes in emotions, greater empathy and compassion for others, increased energy sensitivity, a deep desire to seek spiritual truth. It is important to remember that this process is unique to each individual. Some will experience it smoothly, while for others it can be a challenge due to the mismatch between old beliefs and the new energies that are entering. The process of ascending to the fifth dimension is an inner journey, a transformation of our vibration and state of consciousness. Although the change is gradual, there are certain signs and symptoms that many people are already experiencing and that indicate they are in the midst of this process. One of the first signs of ascension is a feeling of disconnection from everyday reality. You may begin to feel that what once worried you no longer carries the same weight. Material things, old goals, and daily routines begin to lose their importance. You feel drawn to the spiritual, to deeper questions about life and your purpose. Another common sign is sudden emotional change. You may feel emotional ups and downs, experiencing moments of deep joy followed by dense emotions that seem to come out of nowhere. This is a natural effect of ascension. Unresolved emotions, pain, and old wounds are surfacing to be healed. The process can be challenging, but it is a sign that you are releasing the emotional baggage that no longer serves you in your new state of consciousness. As you progress in your ascension, you may also experience increased energy sensitivity. You may feel more affected by the emotions of the people around you or by the energy of places. You are likely to be more aware of vibrations, both positive and negative, and prefer to stay away from situations or people that lower your energy. Along with this increased sensitivity, you will notice an increase in your intuition. You begin to trust your instincts more, to follow that inner voice that guides you. Your decisions are no longer based solely on logic and begin to align more with what you feel in your heart. This intuitive development is one of the clearest signs that you are tuning into the energies of the fifth dimension. Another key sign is a deep desire for connection and service. In the fifth dimension, the concept of unity becomes more tangible, and you feel a call to contribute to the well-being of others. It's no longer just about your personal growth. You feel a drive to share your learnings, to be of help and make a positive impact on the world. You may also experience feelings of disorientation or confusion as you go through the ascension process. Sometimes, the contrast between the old way of living in the third dimension and the new energies can create a feeling of being between two worlds. This can be disconcerting, but it is part of the process of adjusting to a new, higher vibration. Remember that each person experiences the ascension process uniquely. Not everyone will experience the same symptoms or in the same way. The important thing is to be patient with yourself and allow the energies to do their work. If you feel any of these signs, it is a sign that you are on the path to a higher consciousness. How to prepare for ascension. The process of ascending to the fifth dimension is a profound transformation of our being, but it is not something that just happens on its own. It requires a conscious commitment to raising our vibration and aligning ourselves with higher energies. The good news is that there are several practices that can help you prepare for this shift in consciousness. One of the most powerful tools to facilitate ascension is daily meditation. When we meditate, we connect with our inner self and can raise our vibration, tuning into the higher energies of the fifth dimension. Meditation not only calms the mind, but also allows us to release limiting emotions and thoughts that keep us anchored in the third dimension. You can start with just 10 to 15 minutes a day, focusing on your breath and letting your thoughts flow without getting attached to them. Consistency is key. As you do so, you become more receptive to the guidance of your higher self and the energies of the fifth dimension. Another essential aspect of ascension is learning to live from the heart. In the third dimension, it is easy to let ourselves be guided by the ego, by fear and separation. But in the fifth dimension, the heart becomes our center. This means acting from love, compassion, and empathy, both towards ourselves and towards others. Every time you choose to forgive, help someone, or simply show gratitude, you are raising your vibration. Living from the heart not only prepares you for ascension, but also allows you to align with the energy of unconditional love, which is the essence of the fifth dimension. A fundamental step on the path of ascension is to release the past. This includes letting go of old wounds, limiting beliefs, and emotional attachments that keep us tied to the low vibrations of the third dimension. Detachment does not mean ignoring our emotions, but facing them, processing them, and then letting them go. A helpful practice is journaling or keeping a diary. Write about how you feel, acknowledge the emotions that are holding you back, and then symbolically let them go. You can burn what you have written as a sign of release. As you let go of what no longer serves you, you make room for light and higher energies. Connecting with nature is another powerful practice that can help you in your ascension process. Nature has a pure and elevated vibration, and when we spend time in it, our own energies are balanced and aligned. Being in contact with trees, water, fresh air, or simply walking barefoot on the earth helps us release stress and dense energies. Try to spend more time in nature, whether it's walking in a park, meditating by a river, or simply watching the sky. Nature reminds you of the beauty and simplicity of existence, helping you anchor yourself in the present and raise your vibration. Your physical body is the vehicle that carries you through this process of ascension, and it is important that you take care of it. Eating consciously with natural and fresh foods helps keep your energy high. In addition, practices such as yoga, tai chi, or any exercise that allows you to move your energy are beneficial in facilitating the transition. By taking care of your body, you are also taking care of your energy. Avoid toxins, stress, and anything that throws you off balance. When you feel good physically, it is easier to maintain a high vibration and be in tune with the fifth dimension. Remember, ascension to the fifth dimension is a journey, and there is no right or wrong way. Every step you take towards greater awareness, love, and compassion brings you closer to this new reality. The process takes patience, but with these practices you can prepare and facilitate your transition to a higher vibrational state. What is the new reality in the fifth dimension like? In the fifth dimension, the reality we knew changes. The separation between the material and the spiritual dissolves, and we begin to live in complete harmony with the universe. Imagine a world where Relationships are based on unconditional love and authenticity. Cooperation replaces competition. Abundance is available to all because we no longer live in the mentality of scarcity. Intuition becomes our primary guide, allowing us to co-create a higher reality. This is the promise of the fifth dimension, a world where separation is a thing of the past. Challenges on the path of ascension. It is important to recognize that the path to the fifth dimension is not always easy. Challenges may arise such as the need to heal deep wounds from the past, the feeling of being disconnected from others who are not yet in this process, confusion about reality and the purpose of life. But remember, these challenges are opportunities to grow and expand your consciousness. Allow yourself to feel, heal, and evolve. Transformation always involves moments of uncertainty, but the result is a being more aligned with the energy of love. The ascension to the fifth dimension is not just an individual process. It is a collective awakening. As humanity, we are called to raise our consciousness and co-create a new reality based on love, unity, and peace. If you feel the call, this is your time to begin the journey towards a higher vibration. Remember, it all starts with an intention. If you're ready to take the leap, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and join this community of souls seeking to ascend to the fifth dimension. Together, we can co-create a new world. If you like this video, subscribe, activate the notification bell, and leave us your comment. Have you felt the symptoms of ascension? We would love to read you.